I am Leah Schmitt. I'm a graduate from MSUM and I graduated with my Bachelor of Science in Advertising and Public Relations with a minor in Graphic Communications. When I first came to MSUM, I was a little nervous. I came from a really small town, so moving to Moorhead was kind of a big step for me. To me, it was like coming to the big city. But when I got here, I immediately relaxed. And I kind of found a home here and a community that I could really connect to. I think the most special part about MSUM is that it gives you very practical experience. Not a lot of the universities that you go to give you the opportunity to have hands-on experience. You know, the first year I was taking classes that were applicable to my major. So my freshman year, there was a Welcome Week event where you got to climb the rock wall, and if you made it to the top, you got a t-shirt. So I ended up joining the climbing club on campus. It was just something totally for fun, something for me, and I was doing things that I never thought I would be doing in a million years. Just all of the work that I've done just prepared me for everything I'll be doing after I graduate. And I don't think you could get that experience anywhere else, only at MSUM.